Welcome back to another English speaking practice session. Today, we're going to practice 252 powerful daily English sentences that will help you speak naturally, confidently, and fluently in real life. But before we start, I want you to remember this. Your English doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be practiced. Every time you listen and repeat, you're getting better. So don't doubt yourself. Stay consistent and speak with energy. Let's begin and make this your best English session yet. Good morning. How are you doing today? It's great to see you again after so long. I hope your day has started with a positive mindset. How's everything going with your work or studies? I'm really happy that you're here practicing English with me today. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? The weather feels so refreshing and calm. I love starting my morning with motivation and purpose. Let's make today productive and full of learning. Are you ready to take your English to the next level? What do you usually do in the morning? I usually wake up early and drink a glass of water. Then I go for a short walk to clear my mind. A fresh morning always gives me good energy. Let's carry that same energy into our English practice today. I brush my teeth and wash my face right after waking up. Then I make myself a warm cup of coffee or tea. I like to listen to English podcasts while eating breakfast. It helps me think in English naturally. Every morning is a new chance to improve myself. After breakfast, I prepare for work or study. I check my to-do list and plan my day carefully. Staying organized helps me stay calm and focused. I avoid wasting time on unnecessary things. Small daily habits lead to big improvements over time. I usually start my work around 9 in the morning. I focus on important tasks before checking any messages. I take short breaks to stretch and relax my mind. That keeps me productive throughout the day. Balance is the key to success in everything. Thank you so much for helping me today. I really appreciate your time and kindness. It means a lot to me that you care. I'll make sure to return the favor someday. Gratitude always makes communication warm and beautiful. Excuse me, could you please repeat that again? I didn't quite catch it the first time. Sometimes listening carefully changes everything. Thank you for your patience and understanding. I'm trying to become a better listener every day. I'm sorry for being late. I got caught in traffic. I didn't mean to keep you waiting this long. Thank you for waiting patiently for me. Next time, I'll make sure to leave earlier. Being on time shows discipline and respect. I'm currently working on a new project. It's a little challenging, but I'm learning a lot. I like solving problems and finding creative ideas. Every project helps me grow in confidence and skill. Hard work always brings growth, no matter how small. I have a meeting later today with my team. I need to prepare my notes before it starts. Preparation always helps me feel confident and calm. I focus on speaking clearly and staying composed. Communication becomes easier when I'm ready and relaxed. I'm studying English every single day now. It's part of my daily life, and I really enjoy it. Sometimes it feels tough, but I never give up. Every small step brings me closer to fluency. Consistency is my greatest strength. I'm really happy with my progress this week. Learning new words makes me proud of myself. I can feel my confidence growing every day. The more I practice, the better I become. Confidence grows one sentence at a time. In my opinion, practice is more powerful than theory. You can study grammar for hours and still hesitate, but once you start speaking, everything changes. Don't worry about mistakes, just keep talking. Progress is the only thing that matters. Sometimes I feel tired, but I keep going. Motivation doesn't stay strong every day, and that's okay. Discipline is what keeps me moving forward. I remind myself why I started this journey. I want to speak English freely and confidently. Let's grab a coffee sometime and talk more. I love spending time with good people. Every conversation teaches me something new. Everyone has their own story to share. Real conversations help us grow as humans. That's an interesting idea. Tell me more about it. I love hearing other people's opinions. It opens my mind to new perspectives. Even when I disagree, I stay respectful. True communication is about understanding, not arguing. You look great today. That color suits you perfectly. A kind compliment always makes people smile. Small positive words can change someone's mood. Speak kindly wherever you go. Kindness always comes back to you. I love traveling to new and exciting places. Seeing different cultures teaches me so much. Meeting new people helps me practice my English naturally. Every trip feels like an adventure and a lesson. Travel fills the heart with inspiration. What's your favorite food when you're really hungry? I enjoy trying dishes from different countries. Sometimes I cook at home just to relax. Cooking helps me unwind after a long day. Food connects people in such a wonderful way. I like spending weekends doing what I love. Sometimes I read books, sometimes I walk in the park. I also enjoy listening to calm music or podcasts. Balance is important in life. Rest helps us come back stronger. Don't worry, everything will be fine soon. Every problem has a solution, even when it's not clear. Just take one small step at a time. You're stronger than your situation. Keep believing in yourself because you can do it. It's okay to make mistakes while learning English. Nobody becomes fluent in one day. Every mistake you make is a valuable lesson. Don't feel embarrassed. Keep going forward. Fluency comes to those who never give up. You're doing better than you think. Even small improvements matter a lot. Every word you learn adds to your confidence. Keep practicing and speaking out loud. You're building fluency every single day. I can speak English clearly and confidently. I'm improving little by little every day. My pronunciation sounds better and more natural. I'm proud of how far I've come. Practice is shaping me into a fluent speaker. I enjoy speaking English more and more each day. I'm not afraid to make mistakes anymore. I trust myself to keep improving with time. I'm confident, focused, and determined to grow. Every word I speak builds my future fluency. So take a deep breath, smile, and keep going. You've done an amazing job practicing today. Remember, every word you repeat becomes your strength. Keep listening, keep speaking, and never stop learning. You're becoming fluent one sentence at a time. You did it. You've just practiced 252 daily English sentences to speak confidently and naturally. Keep shadowing this video every day until your tongue moves easily and your thoughts flow freely in English. Repetition builds rhythm, and rhythm builds fluency. If this session helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more daily English practice. Keep going, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next one.